welcome to another wilderness tamed gardening video. And in this one we're looking at how to tackle a lawn, an amenity grassland essentially, after heavy rain, where the grass is just too wet for a mower to use. What could I possibly use to mow the grass? Oh yeah. Before and after. Let's look at that again. Before and after. Now, does it look like it's just been cut? Or does it look, as it should, better? Well, it's certainly shorter. It's been raining heavily the past couple of days, hence I have not been using a mower on this, because that would chew up the grass and clog up the mower, and the results wouldn't be very attractive. But a scythe is an excellent tool for mowing damp to wet grass, and this is very wet grass. But the end result, that's a decent looking lawn. Okay, that is the lawn scythed. I now just have to rake up some of the worst of the clippings. Not everything gets raked up, obviously there'll be some that get down and refeed the soil, but this particular lawn grows faster than any other lawn that I've seen. It's ridiculous. Usually with the mower, which is the Fiskars Momentum, takes 2 passes, one at a high cut and then drop down to a slightly lower cut in order to get it to this stage. So it pretty much takes as much time with the mower as it has to do the lawn with the scythe. But with the mower there's not as much raking off because it's chopping the grass very finely. And there it is, raked off. The final result, which I would hope you would agree, doesn't look half bad. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe, hit the bell, and all the rest of it. And I shall see you in the next one.